Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the next video. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about how to write, glide record. Glide record queries and how to use glide record for accessing the data from a particular table in ServiceNow. So, probably, like if you are creating some applications or if you are creating some user interfaces, then you will be interested in knowing how to use the glide record for fetching the data from the databases and all. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how it will be done. Okay, so first of all, glide record is the latest feature which is created or which is given by the ServiceNow. So with the help of glide record we can easily get the data from a table or the database. So basically the tables in the service name are the databases. Okay, so in normal cases you need to write the complex queries, you need to use the joins, and you need to use lot of other stuff in order to get the data from the databases. But that is simplified here in ServiceNow with the help of just JavaScript and some basic queries. You can get the data, and queries also created by the ServiceNow portal itself. So how to do those things, how to get a data from the table, everything I am showing in this video. So let's say I'm taking the example of incident table. So it is created by the system. Okay, so incident, if I just click on incidents here, service desk, you can see here the incident table contains lot of things over here, like lot of records are present. So out of this, let us say you want to access the things. This is the table and these are the records. Okay, so out of this category, if you see, there is like inquiry, software and hardware. These are lot of categories. So if you want to access only the things which are coming under software, so I will be doing, you will go to the filter, and after that you will say category. Okay, so you will say category, and after that you will select software here, and you click on the run here. Okay, so once you click on the run, then you will be getting only limited results which are basically related to software. So this is how you can do with the help of user interface. Now if I say do the same thing with the help of query. So if you have created some custom table and you want to get the data from there, how you can do that one? So that is very simple again. So you have to do do something like this, but anyways I will show it from the scratch. Okay, so I will go to the home page and I will leave this one as it is. Okay, so this is the home page you will be coming, and now I will just search fix here and it will show me fix scripts. Okay, so I have to go there, fix scripts, and then click on new here, so that we will be creating some new record, and just give some any random name xyz I'm giving in this case. And I already written the query, so I will just paste that one. So this is basically the JavaScript code. Okay, so first of all I'll just explain whatever written here. The first line, okay, so first thing first, the first line says it is basically getting the data of that incident table in the object. So you know this JavaScript code, like where this is a rec, this is user defined, and I will say new glide record. Glide record is a Java library which can be used in the JavaScript. So it is integrated by ServiceNow, and I will mention the table name. So you can mention anything here. In this case it is incident table. Okay, so I mentioned that. Now I have to create a query. So what query says, on this object rec you have to add query. You have to write like add query, and I have it's like field and value, where category is equal to software. Only those records I want in the output, so that I have written here. But there are a lot of records, as you can see here, and it's not good idea to take thousands of records. So that's why I can set a limit on that one. So it is just I just want 5 records as of now. And after that, this is very important line, you have defined the query, you have set the limit, but you need to execute that query. So execution is done on the 4th line, rec.query. So this is like calling the user defined function. So in JavaScript we used to define a function, then we used to call, right? So this is just like calling the query, and this is post processing. You can do it on your basis. In this case, just I am interested in this thing. What is the short description? So email server is down, defect tracking tool is down. So these are the short descriptions. I just want to print for first five. Okay, so you just observe these first five. This should be our output in this case. So while rec.next and gs.info, so system.print, instead of that we have to use glide system.info, and in this rec object we need short description. Okay, short description we are giving here. All right, I will just save this code, and after that I will run the script. Okay, so let me just wait for few seconds here till it saves. Then there is a button run script. I'll click on this run fix script. Okay, and I'll click on proceed. So once I click on proceed, then you can see five results. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Customer didn't receive eFax. So customer didn't receive eFax. Okay, so these are some random results it is giving from this one. So but for these, like here, see here it is customer didn't receive eFax. After that, does not. Okay, defect tracking tool is down. So you can see here defect tracking tool is down, and you will be having this one here, defect tracking tool is down. So like this it will give five results. So this is how you can simply write a javascript code where you will be getting the data from the incident table. It's just like querying the database, but that can be done with the help of javascript very easily. I hope you like this video, and if you found it useful, please do like the video and subscribe the channel. We will be uploading interesting stuff regarding the ServiceNow and other tech. Okay, so in the same way, like in this thing, I am just getting the things which are like category where it is software. Let's say I don't want software, I want hardware. Okay, so I will just say hardware. Okay, so now I want the records where category is hardware. So I will just save that thing, and after that I'll come to all here, and now I will filter. You can filter from here, or else you can filter from here as well. So if you go to hardware, you right click on that, you click on show matching, then it will apply a filter where everything is hardware. Okay, so now I will just click on run fix script, and I'll click on proceed, and you can see these are the short description for the incidents where the category is hardware. So like that you can change. Basically this is one of the example. You can have three parameters as well. You can have encoded query. So all those things I'll be covering in my next example. Encoding query in the sense, I know, like I'll just give a hint here. So if you are having if you need to add multiple conditions, I want category is equal to hardware, state is equal to some in progress or in progress, and then caller will be something. And like if I have multiple conditions, then you need not to write the query. The query will be system generated. So I can, the category is equal to hardware, I can just get a query from here as well, copy query, and if I go to notepad, if I paste it, you can see category is equal to hardware. This is the query which is created by the system. And also if I apply one of the other filter, okay, state is new. Okay, I will click on this and I will say show matching, and here you can see category is hardware and state is new. So if I go to the end here, and if I right click, and if I copy query, and if I just paste this thing again here, you can see the query here. See, category is equal to hardware and state is equal to 1. So this is how it will be creating a encoded query. So this thing we will be talking in detail in the next video. So for as of now, we understood how to write a JavaScript code and how to use the glide record this function in order to execute or get the data from the tables. So that is in this video. See you in the next one.